Okay. Our next activity that I'm going to review with you for this week is our addition up to 20. And so we have been working on adding two numbers together. And so this is going to help that with you. Some of these numbers are a little bit higher than what we would have worked on, but they are definitely, you'll be very successful with this activity as we do it. Okay, so looking at number 1, it says 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7. And they've already got your smiley faces out next to your numbers so that you can go ahead and count the total number, and then you can come up with the answer to what 5 plus 7 is. So we can go ahead and count our smiley faces to see what our answer would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So on this one, I just went ahead and counted all of my smiley faces together to figure out my answer. But we could also use another strategy by putting one of these numbers, usually the larger number, in your head and then counting on. Or you could just always use your top number in your head and count on the lower one, whatever is more comfortable for you and is easier for you to remember. So for this one, the larger number actually happens to be the top number. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So we know that it says 8 plus 6. So up here I know that there's going to be 8 smiley faces because it's right next to my number 8. So instead of going in here and counting all of my smiley faces like I did here, I'm just going to say 8 and then continue counting my smiley faces down here. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if I go over here, I'm going to put my larger number in my head because it's faster, but you don't have to. If you want to count out every smiley face because that is what is easier for you at this point, then you are welcome to do that as well. And that might be the best strategy for you to use right now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And when I'm counting, I do like to touch either the smiley face or the dot that I'm counting so that I know that I don't miss one or that I don't count it twice. So that's why when I did kind of like a circle because I'm saying 9, but then I went 10, 11, 12, 13. That way I don't miss any of the smiley faces that I'm adding up. Okay. Here's an example. If I were to use the larger number, put the larger number in my head and count up the second number, you can see here the larger number is at the bottom. And that's okay as long as you still keep track of your numbers. So I'll show you here. So if I did this, it would be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And that might be too much. At this point, I just want to give you as many strategies as I can right now while you're home, and that way you can use whichever one you're comfortable with. So 10 plus 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and just count all of my smiley faces that I have here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nine plus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 more. So 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, this is a big one. 10 plus 10. Some of you already know 10 plus 10. That ends up being one of your first doubles that you remember. But we'll go ahead and count it just to check our work. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The next one is 4 plus 7. I'm going to put 7 in my head. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Eight plus 8 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then our last one is another double, 7 plus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If you want to continue and practice some more on your own, you can just call out some numbers on your own. So if I said 6 plus 5, and I was just curious and I wanted to figure out what 6 plus 5 was, I can go ahead and do this one on my own. And you could draw out your dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then draw out 5 for down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can go ahead and count them. And again, you can either count all of the dots that you have there, or you can count on from one of the numbers. Usually the larger number makes it easier. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So once you're done with this, you can always practice just some basic addition facts on your own. All right, boys and girls, good job. And send me a picture of your work. I'd love to see your math facts and your addition sums that you came up with. Great job.